Enhance your new home or upgrade your remodeling plans with an easy addition, an electric fireplace from SimpliFire. SimpliFire electric fireplaces are compact and easy to install, providing traditional style in more spaces. These new 30 and 36-inch fireplace units can be used with or without a mantle, do not require venting, and can be installed at a fraction of the price of typical fireplaces, and enjoy extremely low operating costs, around 5 cents an hour. A remote adjusts the flames to 4 different intensity settings, changes fan speed, and controls heat output. LED accent lighting adds detail to logs and embers. Experience authentic ambiance with an electric fireplace from SimpliFire, and experience fire made simple.